Hello, hi fam, what's going on? Well, I'm back again with the new readings for the Gemini. Well, I have just left on this like Aries and Taurus, and you guys really gave me a very good review on it, and I'm really like thankful for it. Like, I have completed such a good hours in just 2 videos, so it's like appreciated. Thank you, and I hope you all support the same way as you're supporting me right now for the future work and all. Yes, and I hope my readings resonate with everyone, and if it's not resonating, just don't force yourself to be like, no, I just want this sort of things. Universe works every, like, it's like working every different time. Universe is actually working in a very different way. Sorry, the tongue slips sometimes. It's okay, it's fine. Well, we'll see something about the Gemini from 21st August, like that's tomorrow, to 31st August, yeah, 2025 for the Gemini. Well, I'm using this Osho Zen. This like one of my fave. I just cannot resist using it. Yeah. Yes, for the Gemini, what we have for the Gemini, then we'll go for the general readings. Yes, what we have for the Gemini. So currently, yes, as Gemini, the zodiac sign itself has a planet Mercury, and Mercury is currently in a retrograde position. Yes, it's giving a lot of stuffs to many individuals up there, like someone from the back is coming back. Yes, it can be anything, it can be job, it can be person, it's not only about the relationship. But yes, but still you guys are in a very stressful mode, and you are like not engaging in something new. You actually want to change many things, but you're not actually fitting in something. You're not actually getting something what you actually want, and that's what I'm actually it's a lot of actually going on. Okay, fine, I can see a card of postponement. So yeah, things are really not working that fast for you, how you used to work. So right now you have just choose to be like stay calm and just like go with the flow. Yes, and it's, I can really feel there's some stressful energies also over here. Like, let's clarify that stress. Let's clarify that. Let's clarify that. It's something. Like, you are aware of many things. See, again I'm getting the same cards. Like, you're aware of many things, like, and now it's being known to you that stuffs are going to work in a very slow manner. Many people have engaged themselves into spirituality, and they are even trying to learn something new. Even your planet Mercury is about learning. Mercury and Jupiter, it's like learning something new. Yes, it's very good cards, most probably. Even I got a number 3 over here. Gemini for number 3. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, so it's a good card where some personalities feeling demotivated, but still they have just craved yourself to feel motivated, and that's like a very good sign, to be honest. Yes, so what's coming up for you from like 21st August to like 31st August 2025? What's coming for the Geminis? Okay, so the last week, most probably I can say, is like gonna work in your favor. I can see the card of a source, yet you're gonna try to control up many things. You're not just gonna grab, because because in this whole month you have that habit that you are like running behind something, and you are like about to stop, and you are like nothing was that easy for you. So even though if right now you're having something, you're just getting some more adventures in your life. I can see more traveling cards. Yes, you are asking something to the universe, and you're just sitting, but now when universe is granting, you're not able to justify that thing, that this thing is good for you. Let's clarify something more. Gemini, what's going on? Your energies are good, but I don't know what's going on. Let's see, Gemini. Really have a very hair bad day. I just can't feel my hair this day. What's coming up new for Gemini? I got a card of speed. You're trying to participate even if many things are coming up in your life, but still confused. Still have that guilt and still have that absurd faith right now that this thing's gonna work for you, even if you try to join that thing. Mm-hmm. Gemini, most probably, I can feel this reading is most probably for your career purpose. Right now, you're not focusing much more in your personal life, and you're like least interested in your personal life also right now. Let's see something more clarification. Yes. Oh, as I just said that you don't have much more in your love life. Most probably your personal, I got a card of abundance and lovers. Wow. And even I got a card of master. So many people are trying to learn here something new. Self-love. Yes, I was in the first reading only, I just said that there is a kind of creativity, you're learning something new, and that's what I was about to say. And I got the cards like the consciousness and the mastery. Yes, you're most probably learning something and you are like stuck into that thing that I just want to learn, and whatever comes to me I'll just grab, but I'll even wait because of that habit which you developed in this month. I can see spiritually you're kind of high energies. I can literally feel, Gemini, you guys have high energies. Now let's see the guidance up for you. The guidance up for you. You're like having a lot of passion, right? You're having right now a lot of passion, but stuffs are coming in between which is actually making your process slow. Saturn energies again. Saturn energies with Mercury energies, which actually creates a very slow flow, and that's what it is all about. So right now I even got a card for you have to release everything what you have developed in this whole month. Now you have to release that negative outcome. Right now universe is actually listening to you. It's whatever you're just manifesting, it's actually listening to you. So just try to put that things aside, to be honest. Yes, just put that stuffs aside and just like go with the flow, because this, like I can say the last week of August 2025, it's gonna be like you getting a lot of opportunities, not also a lot of opportunities, but you're getting some good opportunities which which can probably change up many things in your life. We are like if you're feeling stuck, most probably even in a relationship kind, but right now much more focused, you guys are much more focused up in your career. So the thing over here is I got for you is just release everything which was you felt that this is not moving off for you. Release the grudge, release the negative energies, release everything which you can, which is actually harming you and your career most probably. So release that everything, and just whatever stuffs are coming in between, even release that. So now work with passion, and dedication. Everything is coming up to you at this point. You have a very good card, this Gemini. I can really feel this energies. Wow. So thank you so much for this reading. So I hope you guys like this, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.